Hey everyone, I'm Daisy with Dherbs.com. Here at Dherbs, we get a lot of health-related questions, and today we're going to answer some viewer questions about vegan diets. Our first question comes from Max. Hi Dherbs, I know veganism is supposed to be all healthy, but I also always hear the people who talk about it yelling about animal rights and stuff. So which is it? Are the animal people just bandwagoners? Best, Max. Max, this is fiction. The ethics-focused side of veganism did come first, but now it would probably be fair to say that there are two halves of the community. The side who became vegan because of their concern over animal cruelty and environmental destruction, and the side who became vegan to improve their health. You've already spotted this. These groups aren't completely isolated from each other. Ethical vegans still get health benefits from their diet, and health vegans still reduce animal consumption. So if you're interested in becoming vegan, do some research and see if either one of these motives are compelling for you. Our next question comes from Lewis. Hey Dherbs, I've been interested in trying a vegan or vegetarian or some plant-heavy diet for a while now. But whenever I decide to go for it, the thing that keeps stopping me is there's just no protein. Is there? Can you be vegan without getting some vitamin deficiency? Lewis, this is a fact. Vegans as well as vegetarians have to be more conscientious about getting protein and nutrients like B12 and iron in their systems. But things like tofu, beans, nuts, non-dairy milks, and leafy greens can help supply all those nutrients. And taking supplements is also an option, especially if your doctor already recommends it. It is possible to develop nutrient deficiencies due to a vegan diet. Studies have shown that these deficiencies almost never reach to a point of becoming serious health problems. As long as you know what you need to do going into it, you probably won't have any problems. Our final question comes from Maria. Hello Dherbs. I've been doing the vegan thing on and off for the last few years because I'm an athlete and I want to eat the healthiest way I can. But I have trouble sticking with it. Do I need to just push through for my health? Sincerely, Maria. Maria, this is fiction. There's a lot of evidence for the health benefits of veganism, but it's not the only healthy diet out there. And to be honest, when it comes to athletes in particular, the evidence is much more murky on the health benefits of veganism that is for ordinary people. Athletes generally need much higher levels of protein and higher nutrient levels depending on their type of sport, which can be harder to achieve on a vegan diet, although it's definitely possible if you plan your meals well. But there is a second risk, which is that if your sport requires a lot of travel to different competitions, you may not be able to plan your meals very well. This could lead to undereating, which is a major health risk to athletes. Female athletes are under particular risk if they're underweight because it tends to reduce their ability to process calcium and put them at greater risk of bone injuries. So if you plan and control your diet and make sure you're eating the volume of nutrition you need, a vegan diet is a great choice. If you won't be able to implement it in a healthy way though, it'll be better to choose a diet that best supports your body and your athletic success. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. If you have a question you want answered, you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com or message us on social media. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and don't forget to stay healthy.